Hello. Welcome back to International Scholars. We provide quality verified information on latest scholarships for international students. Please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to get updated on our latest videos. Thank you. In this video, we are going to walk through how to complete the common application on mobile. Ensure to watch to the end so that you won't miss any valuable information. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. The Common Application is an undergraduate college admission application that applicants may use to apply to any of more than 950 member colleges and universities in all 50 states and the District of Columbia, as well as in Canada, China, Japan, and many European countries. This is the Common App overview after applying to different colleges. The red spot means the application deadline has passed for the admission term chosen. The Common App allows only 20 applications per account. To start, open your browser and search for the Common Application. If you have an account, you can proceed to sign in, otherwise, click the Create Account link. If you're applying as a first-year student, click the First-Year Student link. If you're transferring from one college to another, click the Transfer Student link. Fill in your email, password, phone number, birth date and other required information to create an account. After creating an account, you will be taken to the Dashboard tab. You can check your Common App ID here. Also, you can check here if you want to change any of your login details. Next is to go to the Common App tab. This information are required for all colleges. For the Profile section, fill in your name, date of birth, contact and all other required information. Fill in your address and also your mailing address. Enter your contacts. If you have an alternative contact, enter one. Fill in the other required info as best as you can. Select the languages you're proficient in and check the appropriate proficiency level. Fill in your nationality and your citizenship status. If you hold a valid US visa, select Yes. If no, select No and select the F1 student visa type. If the Common Application fee waiver is applicable to you according to the options provided, select the applicable option. Otherwise, select No and click Continue. The next tab is the Family section. Fill in your parent and sibling information. Next is the education section. Search for your high school in the list. If you can't find it, select, I don't see my high school in the list. Select home school if you're homeschooled. Also fill your high school address and other required information. Fill the other high school information. The address, the school type, the date you started and the date you left. Type the reasons you left each school you listed and click Continue. If you've attended a college before, select Yes and fill in the college information. Enter the size of your graduating class. The class rank is your position in the class. Select your class rank type and enter your rank in the class. If your school does not use the GPA format, leave it blank. Otherwise, select the GPA scale and enter your CGPA. Enter the most recent courses you took and fill in the information required. If you've been honored in your school, select Yes, and state the honor. Otherwise, select No, and click Continue. Enter the details of any community-based organizations that have provided you free help during your application. Next is your future plans. Enter your future career interest in the highest level of education you wish to acquire. The next section is the testing section. Select the tests taken and fill in the required information. Otherwise select No. If you selected Yes, enter the test's results and the date taken. For the activity section, fill in all the activities you've participated in during and after your high school. If none, select No and continue. Some colleges requires you to submit the personal essay while others don't. Regardless of whether it's required or not, it is always advisable to write your personal essay. If you have any other information to share, select Yes. Otherwise select No. The course and grade is not available because no college from your college list requires it. If a college requires it, you will be able to fill it. Now that you've filled the required information, the next is to go to the college search and apply to your desired college. For example, let's search for Harvard University. You can see the application fee, deadline and other necessary information. To apply, add to college and fill the college info. This is the end of the video. Thank you.